such an active city, and I always try to get out and go hiking, sailing, whatever. So I try to treat the home as a home base and just keep the decor cozy. When it comes to updating a small space, I always suggest thinking about scale. So bring one large piece into your space to give it a nice anchor point, and then everything else can kind of fill in around it. I went to CORT with an idea of what I wanted and all these ideas and mood boards, but the team at CORT was great at helping me actually bring it to life. My personal style has evolved over the years. It used to be really boho, but now I've really kind of simplified and embraced my neutrals. I love that CORT gives me the opportunity to change things up in my home, especially as my style continues to evolve. If you want to furnish your new home or refresh an existing space, go to CORT.com or head to a CORT location nearest you.